Hello friends, this is Ashika and I welcome you to World of Art. So first of all, let me give you an introduction as it is my first ever YouTube video and I'm a little nervous but it's fine. So yes, so basically my name is Ashika and I study in 7th standard and I love studying and cycling and doing lots and lots of art and craft. So that's why I thought that I should open a World of Art channel and I should share my experience with you all. So I hope that you will like my videos in future, and of course please subscribe to my channel for great videos. So that's it, I think, because it's an introduction video, so I don't think that so yes. So and also stay safe at your home, and also please comment in the comment section that which video I should make next, and also that in which standard you all study and what are your hobbies. So that's it for the video. Please subscribe my channel, stay safe at your home, and thank you.